Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. Today we're finally back down in the training room after not being down here since early spring. It's fall around the corner and starting to clean up stuff down here and get ready for the late fall winter season. Today we're going to unbox this McKinley Explorer set. It was my dad's. He got it 5 or 6 years ago and never opened it. I don't know why he ever didn't open it, but it sat on top of the extra refrigerator they had at their house ever since he got it. Never did anything with it. So we're going to open it, add it to the collection, run it with my dad's other train that he gave me, his New York Central Hudson, which is a beautiful train. And we'll show a running video at the end of this video. Right now we're going to unbox this. It's never been opened. Had to clean some dust off the plastic though. Still pretty dusty. But let's start and unwrap this thing. I doubt I'll ever use the track that's in this or the power source. So that I'm not going to totally unbox when I take it out. Maybe we'll give it away as a prize or something for somebody who collects that kind of track and stuff. It's that Easy Track system, Bachmann. This is HO scale, just in case you don't know. Okay, there we go. Now, I'll open the side. That's some dirty plastic. Okay. I don't know if anybody would be interested in the box as well, but I'll keep that for now. That's a nice strip. Most of the Bachmann Easy Track I've seen has gray ballast. This has black ballast. You got your little Bachmann controller here. You got your power source over here. Instructions, no extra stuff over here. Like sometimes there's a train station of people that doesn't have that. But here we go. Very nice. But I'll keep that as is. I'll put it back in the box. But this part is what I'm after. Right here. Beautiful Alaska diesel. I'm not very good at figuring out what diesels are what, but somebody knows, let me know. Okay. Let's poke this plastic. Another layer of plastic, so the train should be super clean. I don't know if this is the first run of this set or not. I've seen them packed in this way so the two boxes are back to back instead of on top of one another. So I don't know if this was the first run, second run, or 50th run. Not selling it, I'm just wondering. I have looked at videos of McKinley Explorer and different versions of the train, but these riding cars are so beautiful on the inside. You should look that up. It's really beautiful scenery and everything. Okay, let's take this out slowly so we don't damage the railings. Don't manhandle it too much. Almost looks like it's got Katie couplers on it. Not sure. There we go. The little sign was messed up. This is number 3015. As you can see, really pretty. Kind of a glare with the camera. So. Dual horns. Bachmann, made in China. But very pretty. Let's just take out one of these cars. I think they're all the same. Malex 56, Halex 1394, Halex 50, WTMC 313. So they all got different numbers on them. I think they're all the same car. There's no in car. But we'll take out one just to look at. I doubt you can see in there, but it does have all the seats going all the way down. The bar, the start of the staircase that goes down there on both ends. Regular plastic wheels. It's fairly light for how big it is, so I don't think it can do any really tight turns. Doors on the end. Very, very pretty. Okay, next we're gonna go and send it on down the track. Okay, there's my dad's Hudson. He gave that to me last year. He never ran it. It's a shame, but he was getting sick and everything, and he almost passed away back last November. And so that's one reason I hurried and finished his track, so I could bring him over and show his train running. He liked that. And just didn't get time to show him his train run. He was going to run it on here himself. But we'll see. But let's see if this thing runs. Yes, it runs. Good. Cab lights up, but just like most DCs, it only lights up as much as the throttle is going. I don't know if it's convertible to DCC. That'd be cool if it is. I'd definitely do it. But now let's put a car behind it, see what it does. If I can get unhooked from it. For my dad and Jen's dad, made a fire station for her dad. He was a fireman. Made it and started on a glass shop for my dad. Last year he picked which building on the square he wanted it in and started on that. Painted it the blue that he used for his glass shop. But we'll get back to that at another time. Okay, I don't think these things light up because it's a basic set. It's pretty. But yeah, it works. Awesome. I'll have fun with that. Okay, here's the box all put back together. The track and all that's up there, never opened outside of that box that's in there. But I don't know if anybody's interested in it for a trade for something locally. I don't feel like doing any shipping, that kind of defeats the purpose. Or if anybody thinks I should put it in the next contest giveaway, subscriber giveaway, totally up to you guys. Let me know. I'm not selling the trains. I'm keeping those. Those are my dad's. That's what he wanted it for. But yeah, I'm gonna put some images of the actual McKinley Explorer after this for you to look at and just get an idea of how nice it actually is. Please subscribe like, comment. Love to hear from you guys. And we might be doing another subscriber giveaway soon, now that I mentioned it. But also, we have a couple more unboxings coming. Have a lot more of my dad's O stuff. And a couple of G-scale trains. So, look forward to that. Found some other HO stuff of mine while we're cleaning out. Found my part of my old G.I. Joe train set. The caboose and the flat car so far. So that's cool. Hope I find the engine. I'd love to run that on here. But yeah, we got stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you.